Hey, how's it going? Today we got a game of clutch with our competitors, Nick from Bag Drive, Saskatchewan, and Lordco from Balzac, Alberta. I'll be your host and your referee today. Let's get started, boys.
Sure. Best out of three.
Oh!
Oh, come on.
So Lordco's set first. What trick are you thinking you'll do?
I'm gonna do a reverse 180.
Reverse 180, pretty technical. Let's see if you can pull it off. Not bad, we'll give it to him. Pretty clean, right? Nick, let's see what you can do. Well, Nick didn't quite make the full rotation. Didn't pull forward either, so sorry, Nick. That's a C. Next trick I'm gonna do is called first to fifth. Okay, we'll give Nick a shot now. Unfortunately, Nick didn't make it to second gear, so we'll have to give him the L.
Something wrong today, you know, I think it might be the way the grass is blowing or something.
This next trick is gonna be the reverse donut.
Not bad. That's one of the best reverse donuts I've ever seen. It looked more like an infinity symbol, so that'll be another letter.
Nick's been trash talking all week, and you know, he knew he wasn't gonna win this competition, but he was trying to get me off my game. And
all right, so we're gonna give Nick a mercy rule here. He's gonna challenge now. What trick you want to do, Nick?
You're gonna do a trunk pop 180 stall out fuel door exit.
Oh, hold on a second. Fuel door wasn't popped, so Lordco has a chance for revenge. So it was pretty good stall out, good 180, everything. Yeah, we'll have to give it to Lordco. Okay, it's Lordco set, and this one's a little bit of a surprise. It's 5 letters for this trick. This next one's gonna be sunroof entrance, wiper grab, stall, sunroof exit.
Holy frick.
Upon further review of the footage, Lordco went for the wiper grab, missed it, had to open the door, got it after, but you know what? Nick's gonna get revenge here. Nick got the trick, so he's got CLU. He's got something, I don't remember the numbers or letters. They're even at 5 each, so Nick's gonna pick the trick. Let's see what he's got.
We're gonna do a reverse drop burnout for our final trick here. Here we go.
So we had a stall out at the end, Nick. Can't have that.
What? What are you talking about? You didn't say anything about that.
Nick, that's, you know, that's the nature of the trick. We saw it happen. Stall can't happen.
It's time for you to take your loss and walk, bud. That's a crew coupon from McDonald's. You can use that anywhere around Leduc County.
Yeah, so it was a pretty hard fought competition, but ultimately Lordco was our winner.
Sponsorship from Lordco comes from the Miami Dolphins.
Anything else you want to say to your fans?
Honestly, like I knew about this event, oh man, since earlier on, and been preparing for it as best I know possible, and it is what it is. I came out with a win and couldn't be happier right now. Yeah, honestly, I've got confidence here. We're going all the way to the finals, baby. The team we've got here, no question.
You heard it here first. Well, that's it.